Ayun guys, so what's up and good afternoon guys. So ayan, makikita nyo dito sa likod ko is yung church na pinunta natin last time. So ngayon guys, andito ulit tayo sa Bawang La Union at tayo ay mag-grapes farm at magpipik na rin tayo guys. So yun guys, samahan nyo ako sa panibagong adventure. And yun guys, nagpapahinga muna ako dito kasi grabe, medyo nakakapagod din, tapos ang lamig dun sa bus kanina. So yun guys, ayan, parang kailan lang tayo pumunta dito, no? Nung 4 months ago ata. So yun guys, medyo mahangin at yun, sakto lang din naman yung init. So yun guys, huwag nyo rin pong kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. So ano pa guys hinintay natin? Let's go and let's start. Yun guys, so what's up and good afternoon guys. So and guys, grabe, ang daming bunga. Season ngayon, summer. So yun guys, ang napuntahan nating grapes farm is Gapos grapes farm. So ay, grabe guys, ang sarap ng hangin dito guys. So yun guys, makikita nyo sa likod ko, grabe ang lawak. Ayan, adjust natin. Ayan. So yun guys, binigyan tayo kanina ni kuya ng basket para mag fruit picking na rin. Ayan. So yun guys, tinanong ko si kuya kanina kung magkano yung kilo, no, isang kilo ng grapes nila. 350, ganun pa rin daw yung price. So yun guys, ang gagawin natin is maglalakad-lakad muna, and then yun, enjoyin lang natin tong moment na to guys. And yun guys, grabe, itutur ko na kayo guys. So let's go. So ayun guys, kita nyo naman yan guys. Oh, wow, ang ganda. Oh, ito medyo green pa siya eh. Ayan, focus. Violet, ayan. Ayan guys, grabe, ang daming bunga guys. Ayan. At yun guys, makikita nyo marami din mga visitors. Ayan. Ayan. Grabe ang lawak. Hanggang dito guys. Dito. Grabe, hanggang sa dulo yan guys. Doon, oh. Ayun siya. Ganun siya kalawak. Ayan. And meron din dito sa kabila. Tapos yun guys, makikita nyo doon banda, ayan yung kumikinang na yun. Malapit lang pala tayo dito sa may beach. So yun. And yun guys, sabi pala ni kuya kanina, pag once na nakapitas na tayo ng grapes natin, pwede rin tayong tumikim doon ng wine nila. Yun, gawa din yun sa grapes. So yun. Grabe guys, ang daming bunga. Oh. So yun guys, magpipitas na tayo. Pag mag-harvest tayo ng grapes is yung medyo dark na siya, na may may violet na grapes. Ayan. Ang ganda. So to guys, ito na yung napitas ko. Ayan. Grabe guys, ang daming bunga.
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move. And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. Thought about us eating breakfast in my bed. We were holding hands, I was making plans, a future so bright. Caught a lift uptown, down by the bay under the stars. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move. And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. I started falling for you, and I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move. And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. Thought about us eating breakfast in my bed. We were holding hands, I was making plans, a future so bright. Caught a lift uptown, down by the bay under the stars. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make
guys, ayan, meron na tayong nakuha dito na pitas na grapes. So ayan guys, ito siya. Yun. Ito yung isa sa pinaka masarap at matamis na prutas guys. So yan. Ito rin guys yung pinakamalaking nakuha ko siguro. Ayan. So yun guys, bali tatlo yung nakuha natin. Ayan. Ayan siya. So yun guys, grabe sarap talaga ng hangin dito. So pupunta na tayo pinila kuya para bayaran to at i-taste natin guys yung wine nila nagawa rin sa grape. So let's go guys. So yun guys, tara punta na tayo pinila kuya at tignan natin kung ano yung ibang product na meron pa sila bukod dito sa mga prutas na to. So let's go. Kaya okay na po.
Tignan mo tayo, muna to.
Ay sige po. Ano po yan kuya? Juice or wine?
Juice lang mo siya.
Ah,
Meron din pong wine kung gusto niyo.
wine.
14% siya.
Ah, okay.
Previous po ng beet juice. Dito sa La Union.
Ah, okay.
Yan po.
So yun guys, ayan siya.
May isa pang flavor sir.
Flavor po. Ay, ayun.
Ito po. Dahil tatlo po yung flavor natin. May mangosteen po. Saka
Mangosteen.
blueberry.
Ayun.
Tapos ito po yung abala, yung red wine.
Red
grape
wine.
juice. Grape po siya.
Ayun. So yun guys, ang sarap ng wine nila, grabe.
Yung alak naman po 300.
300 po. Ano po yan kuya, may alcohol?
Alcohol na po yun, mga 14% na po.
Ah,
Yung ininom nyo po yung huli.
opo. Guyabano. Ayun guys.
Grape siya.
Yun guys, and meron ding mga snacks dito. Ayan. So yan guys, nakabili na rin tayo ng grapes and ayun, pinatikim tayo ni kuya ng mga grapes juice nila. So yun guys, ang sasarap. Tapos per bottle daw guys is 200 pesos lang. So yun guys, please visit Gapos Grapes Farm. Ayan. So ito yung labas guys, ayan. Grabe ang lawak niyan guys. Yun. Grabe ang ganda ng sunset. Let's go. Ayun. So what's up guys? So andito tayo ngayon sa Bawang Jollibee. So kain muna ako dito kasi grabe nagugutom na ako guys. Sobra. So yun guys. Ayun, sana nag-enjoy kayo no, dun sa adventure natin kanina. And yun guys, wag nyo pong, and by the way guys, may sasabihin pala ako sa inyo. So first time ko palang mag-vlog na walang face mask. So yun guys, baka naman ako po ay makikihingi na rin po at palambing no, na please like and share. Yan, subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. And guys, follow nyo na rin po ako sa aking Facebook page. Ang pangalan ko is Journey with Sia. So yun guys, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog na to and see you next time.